again, welcome back. We did search for images, we did create animated images. Now it is time to export PowerPoint slides into video. So you are welcome again. Let's go to our slides. So how are we going to do it? So go to slideshow here. Make sure these two are unchecked. After that, make sure they are unchecked. Come to rehearse timing. When you finish, look at it. Look at the top here, it is recording. Play it. So when it finishes like this, enter. So you can see the total time of your slideshow was 17 seconds. Do you want to save the new slide timing? Say yes. Okay. Now you have saved the timing. So now let's go. Come here. Come to export. Here, create a video and make sure it is full HD, and also use the coded timing and narration. This is what we recorded. So this is what we recorded. So let's go create a video. Where do you want to put it? Let me go to my project folder. Okay, where is it? Okay, somewhere here. Where did I put it? Okay, let me see. It is in download. Okay, project number 5. We are saving it to the project folder. Okay, here. Okay, save. So you can see, look at here, creating video presentation 1. So wait patiently. When it is done, you have your video. So it is done. Okay, now let's go to our folder. This is the video. Let's play it and let's see. So you see all this before we started playing the video. So voila, you have done your first video. You have recorded your first video in PowerPoint. So this is all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.